Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI 11T, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first you should go to the Google folder here and open the Gmail application. Now we'll go here, and as can you see, we are logging into account at the moment. Now just go here to the manage accounts on device, and here go to the Google section. As can you see, we got here the two accounts. Now just we'll, for example, remove this account. So tap here and go to the more icon, and just tap here to the remove account and confirm that by tapping to the remove account. So as can you see, we got here just one account, and now we will check here in the application. Yes, right, that's it. So if you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.